So, I don't know why Baggy's got media crew on his jacket though, do you?
Has it?
Got my boots on as well.
Hey, that makes a first. Yeah, because I knew I were turning up.
I mean, you turn up all week.
Yeah, well, that's why I say it. Yeah. Good morning, start to another week. Short week here after bank holiday. Carl just making his porridge here, look. Lads have already loaded up. Oh, nearly lost my glasses then. Loaded up for the job just down in Shipley, not a million miles away. We've emptied all Carl's trailer and concrete posts that we had on from last week. They're all loaded up, ready to go now, look. That's sort of one little part of it. That's part of this job, and there's sort of two other little jobs there, so there's like 4 parts to this job. I'm just going to nip down and see him in about half an hour. I was trying to sort this lease out for next door. I've been here probably 8 years or something. I used to have all this yard round here, and basically I just a little bit and take this little strip of land here that nobody uses, which we've kind of agreed. But you know, rather than just carrying on as I do and you know just putting my rent up that we've agreed the amount, it's like a proper lease now with God knows how many terms and conditions, and I've got to get a structural engineer's report, pay for all that, solicitor, just all massive expense that I wasn't really planning on doing. You know, I just wanted to extend my yard a little bit, but anyway, I'm sort of on with it. I sent it about a week ago, obviously. I just got back off holiday then, and obviously I've had a million things to catch up since, so I think I've found a way to do it. I actually know somebody that's having a look for me. Won't mention who it is right now, but yeah. So he's had a good look over the weekend for me, over bank holiday weekend, so I'm just having a look now. So I tried to have a view on my phone over the weekend. It won't. He'd sent it back with his comments outside, and I couldn't view them on my phone, so I've had to come in the office on my PC this morning. So I'm just going through his comments now. He's raised some sort of good points actually. You know, obviously, like they've put if I do any works, I've got to put it back to original state, which would be a nightmare. It costs thousands to do, and then I'm not going to take it all out, which would cost thousands, which would benefit them anyway, the works I'm going to do. So yeah, just one of those little problems in life. So I'm just going to go through his comments now, and then quickly, if there's anything, give him a call, go through it before I sort of sign up and agree. And then I'm just going down to Shipley to meet the guys once they've met the guy on site, which we've done works with before, local developers. Just make sure everything's as I understand it. Yeah, so that's it. That's my main job today, so I will catch you later.
Right, good morning. This is what we've been on with for the last couple of days. I'll just show you what we've been doing. It's a local job to us, working on Windle Manor. It's an old school, Sutty's World it used to be. So they've converted all this into flats, so we're just doing some timber fencing for them. We've set all this up here. This is a 1.2 feather edge running down this path. It's basically to keep headlights, you know, off these residents who are moving in when cars are parked here. So we've posted all this. I think there were 19 posts went in. Bit of an hard dig really, a bit of concrete at the back of that, so that's how much concrete there is there, mate. That's bad, that. Unless that's just an overspill from that. I don't know, mate. It's not like we can put it there, is it? That's all the way down. It set us back a bit, so we're going to cap all that neatly now with chop saw. I think there's 4 fences we've been on with, so we've done a feather edge up there. A 1.8, it actually returns around there. There's a bit of a dog leg there, return. Sorry, there's one going up wall here as well. That's what them extended posts. These are going to be bolted, and it's going to have a timber feather edge on top there, 1.5, to stop people getting over or falling over. And then up here we put a couple of bigger apex top gate posts in. This is going to be a bin store at top here. Just setting this out now. I'm going to get these holes dug, get these posts put in, and then we'll be building gates tomorrow. Straightforward, pair of double gates here, 1.25 leaves, nice big hinges on them, and a return to that wall. So I'll be back with you later with finished product.
So yeah, just going back to the yard stuff, hopefully I can get that pinned down in the next sort of week or so. They've actually sent me the documents now, which I've just got to sign and get it signature, witnessed and notarised and all that nonsense. And then hopefully we can get on with that. And then so I've had to get a structural engineer involved. He's actually on holiday this week. I've tried ringing him again, because they're granting me a licence to do works, and they're making out as if it's major building works. It's literally throwing a bit of rubble down on a spare bit of land, you know. It's like, it's not major, you know. Anyway, they've just made it into a saga. It didn't need it to be, because we'll just do the works as and when our schedules allow, you know. So yeah, hopefully we'll get some footage of that when we actually start that, if it ever starts. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and see the lads now, because they've been on this job down, some developers down literally around the corner, doing a load of timber there, because they've converted it all into flats. So they should get most of it done today. I think there's a bit of finishing tomorrow. So yeah, I'll just go see how the progress is, and hopefully we'll get on. And they've already, well, I know the guys are developers, but they've already mentioned they've got another site to start soon in Bristol, and should be a load more works for us there. So yeah, that's what we like, repeat custom. So yeah, I'll stop waffling now, and I shall get round the corner and go see the lads. That was a short journey, just round the corner. Jamie's just getting his gates in now, baggage down the pail, all that there that they've done. Is that where it was? I can't remember it being there. Eh? Yeah, wasn't it meant to be further down here? No, it was meant to be here, look, originally. It's definitely no location of that. He was having it here somewhere, I'm sure he was. He was kind of having it there. I mean, it makes sense. Yeah, because it's just to put the bins in, but what are them big things? Oh, beans. So how are you finishing this then? You got like that? We'll get on with it then.
Van down.
How you doing, Jazz? You don't mind being on video?
Thank you.
Do you mind being on video? This is Jazz, by the way, developer down here. It looks good. You'll be on YouTube on Sunday. So yeah.
No,
you happy with the job yet? That's a good thing.
Done a good job so far.
Yeah. Doing, don't they? Now and again. So yeah, we're getting on well here.
Got everything finished.
So, I don't know why Baggy's got media crew on his jacket though, do you?
Got my boots on as well.
Hey, that makes the first. Yeah, because I knew I were turning up.
Not me turning up all week.
Yeah, well, that's why I say it. Yeah. So you've this bit to do here then?
Yeah, this bit to do.
Yeah.
There's a little return there, which we're out of nails. This gates to make.
I'm going to make gates in the morning if I can finish that.
Right. Nearly there, aren't you? Right, we'll leave it at that for now. So yeah, I'm just down at Clickeaton here. If you remember, we did this one over the road here a few weeks ago, all the way around there. And these guys here, Naylor Haulage, Clickeaton, they want nice renewing, all this chain link taking down, and it goes up. This is like 20 metres, side bits 95 and the back bits 50. So I think they're going to go for the 2.4 twin mesh we've done there. So yeah, should be a decent enough job that, hopefully we'll get that one. So yeah, we're on about replacing this, taking this concrete post, chain link down, and then replacing it with 2.4 presume, 8 foot, yeah, 2.4 mesh that we did similar over the road there.
That's the height.
Yeah, I suppose the other good thing about having the mesh is it's fastened from the front, whereas if you had palisade, you wouldn't be able to, you wouldn't be able to snap them off at bottom.
Yeah.
I suppose the only other problem is that tree's going through it there, look.
I'll get them shifted though if you want.
Yeah, just get that cut down and yeah. All you can do to sort of make it easier and cheaper for yourselves really. Even these here, look. Where's your boundary then? Here somewhere. Yeah. So you'd come to there and put one back, wouldn't we? So yeah, if you can get rid of them trees and that.
To make sure there's no TPOs or whatever.
I wouldn't have thought so. They look like they've sprouted to cells them.
Yeah, most of these.
Don't they? I mean it's quite
If they go
tall,
down
that,
to the
but
stump, they'll be alright.
yeah. Which will help you anyway with security, because they can climb up them, can't they, basically? Yep. So I'll measure this up now on my way back and get back to you.
Lovely job, is that? A proper Bobby Dazzler. Look at that. Timber feather edge fencing, bespoke set up at its best. Clean caps. Clean miters. Stunning job. Absolute cream of the chicken, is that?
Yeah, so we've got a visitor, Queen Bee there, look. Just been cleaning all shit up from Carl and that in office. There's only ever me seems to wash up, these lot are above it apparently. So yeah. Yeah, but when you use a cup you can wash it up. But anyway, these two, look. Young apprentice, although he likes to get all muck on his face, look.
Just rolled it out.
Beavering away, you know. Getting a lot done, aren't you?
There we are. Always. Two hands on job.
Yeah. That's looking good. I just thought I'd show Anne round your little workshop before we go. What are these? That other little job you've got then, yeah?
Yeah, there's a pair of driveway gates and then wall top railings to match.
I bet they're nice.
And,
Do you know something else I'm thinking? You can do one of them at my house.
Can I?
Yeah.
Have to up price for when you do that.
It's nice to have this other van back, look. That's cost me, forgot to say, bloody 1,200 quid this bloody thing, DPF. It's supposed to be going in and getting wrapped on Monday, but I've had to put it off, so I didn't know when it was coming back. At 1,200 quid, it still doesn't start correctly, but anyway, there you go. Hope you all have a good weekend. Hot Leeds win tomorrow with new signings, and we'll catch you later.